Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Pro Gamer M Singh. So this is my second video, I guess. I told you I will be releasing a part 2 of guns thing. So for that, write F9 in the chat. The person who's the first gets to come in my video. And this offer is included even for ABV Gaming by Gaming Beast or Austin. Anyone can this time do anything. So this time I'm going to show you a very good trick. It is type of a stunt which I'm going to show you. Oh, why did I ragdoll? I'm in my friend's VIP server and I'm going to usually make videos on this only because it is very easy to make videos on VIP server. Anything can happen in public servers. For this trick, first I need a this thing jetpack. For that I am going to go to the power plant. Let's see how much fuel do I have in the jetpack. I guess I had left it. Oh, guys, it is a very bad glitch which happens on mobile. That is, sometimes it does not allow you to go down. That time you can do this. Oh my goodness. What was that? My heli. Okay guys, let's show you a very stupid update of Asimo. Okay, it is not that stupid. Okay, I was going to show you that sometimes it shows that you can't ride your helicopter, which is very bad update for me because I keep jumping from helicopters. What? I need to wait 13 seconds. Okay, let's do some time pass till 13 seconds. Jailbreak. What is that? I don't know. Okay, let's refill and get right into our video. Okay, so we are here. Or maybe not. Yeah, we are here. In this video, I'm also going to do one challenge because one time I wanted to do a challenge but I couldn't do. Hey, very good. Come on. I will pull you. Come with me. So guys, this is a pulling the cargo. Okay. I don't think it is a cargo thing. Whatever it is. Pulling the 1 million pirate ship. Oh my gosh, it is coming with me. This is like the best updates of Asimo. Or the worst update because I can't see anything. Hey, where are you taking me? Wait 1 second guys, I am going to show you. I am going to click a screenshot first. I am going to show it to everybody. Say cheese. Okay, whatsoever. Let's just sit here. Okay, so we needed to go from here. Why am I wasting my time when I have a jetpack? Hey, no. This jetpack is not that easy. Okay, I'm going to use that trick. No. Okay. Whatsoever. I don't care guys, I'm not going to stop till I show you that thing. by the way, guys, why am I even wasting my time on this? Okay, climbed up. What the just happened? It despawned. I had to do so many things with it. This is literally very big cheating. Guys, sorry for the some noise. Okay, there is the cargo ship, so I am not going to do anything over there. I am going to use this. Ha! Stupid Asimo update. Can't not drive vehicle. Okay, whatsoever. Going to do it from here. No, I want to drive that. Enter driver. Okay, I did that. No, guys, so I'm ready. While doing this glitch, you should make sure that not to. Okay. Stop pulling me down. Guys, this is what you should always do. Whenever the police is chasing you and you are on helicopter, try to come till here or any place like this river. And luckily, if you have a jetpack, then you are saved. Or if you don't have a jetpack, just jump out first only when you are on the tip. Go down and then come up. Go straight, and when you will be here, you will be unable to come up. That guy will take the damage and he will not be able to do anything. Guys, this is not the full glitch, but this is a trick. If you have a jetpack, you can trick everybody. Now I am going to show you the actual glitch. So it is basically very easy, and for that you don't need the jetpack. I was just showing you a trick from which you can escape easily. And if you have guns at that time, then you are the luckiest person. You have the jetpack and the guns that time, then no one can catch you. Okay, let's go. I'm going to show you at the same place. Maybe because we have done that place only. So we have almost reached there. Okay, so we are there. Let me go towards the jetpack. I will keep a jetpack for emergency. Guys, if you have a jetpack, you should always keep a jetpack for emergency while doing this glitch. Guys, that is not my own glitch. I have seen it from model. I am just doing a testing work over here. Okay. But before going, if you have the jetpack, even make sure to check that how much fuel it has. Okay. Now that I have full fuel in my jetpack, I am now ready to take a risk. Guys, can you see some big sharks over there? They are not sharks, they are sailboats. A cargo ship robbery is going to come very soon. Guys, this thing doesn't allow you to go more. Hey boy, wait, what? If there is a cargo ship there, then I don't think we are be able to do the glitch. Or maybe not. Any water you can do. Come on, go down. Yes. So guys, this is a full glitch. Now that you are under the map, you can do anything. Great way for escaping the police. Or great way if the police is even chasing you and even the police did this glitch to get you. Like this helps when you are very high bounty guy and there are a lot of camping cops. This helps you to see them and tell your friends, save them. Or the best thing is, guys, when a police is chasing you and he comes till here, the best thing is jump down. Just click on jump and it will automatically take you to any base. Like I was a police, so I came here. You will be a criminal, you will go to criminal base. So guys, this was a glitch and it is very good for me. I like it. So guys, did you like my video? And make sure to subscribe to my channel and comment F9 to come in my video part 2. Bye bye.